Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. We have a great episode for you today. If you're feeling stressed, angry, frustrated, insecure, full of anxieties, worries, fears, remembering that you're not alone, that I certainly can relate to feeling a lot of those. We're going to take some deep breaths together and see if we can release some of these worries, these anxieties that we feel seemingly all throughout the day. Even anxieties entering into our dreams. We'll never underestimate the power of taking a deep breath, saying some positive affirmations. Getting into a comfortable seated position. Becoming aware of how you're seated, your posture. See if you can drop the shoulders away from the ears, relaxing the belly. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And exhaling out the mouth. Closing the eyes. Listening carefully to the sound. Following the guidance of my voice. Breathing in slowly and softly through the nose. And exhaling out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, releasing, letting go. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling, letting go. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing the face. Breathing in through the nose. And a big sigh out the mouth. Inhaling. And exhaling, releasing fears. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body, coming back into trust. Feeling a subtle trust starting to bubble up in your heart, spreading all through your body, a trusting energy. Remembering that trust is a superpower. Safe to close the eyes, looking inside yourself. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in, breathing out. A short inhale and a long exhale. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhaling that love into your space, into your surroundings. Feeling a loving energy surrounding you inside and out. The love that we seek, we already have it. Reminding ourselves of this. Breathing in through the mouth this time. And exhaling. Breathing in. And breathing out. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. Hold. And exhale. Letting go of tensions in the face. Relaxing the jaw. Relaxing the shoulders. Relaxing your hands and feet. Bringing a soft smile to the face. Bringing a smile to your heart. Recognizing that you live to see another day, you live to see another moment, but it won't always be that way. Any moment, any day we can pass. Life is so precious, so fragile and temporary, that it's good to enjoy. Despite the anxieties, despite the worries, coming back to joyfulness as you breathe in and breathe out. Closing the eyes, looking inside, observing your mind very lovingly, very gently. And if you've been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath through the nose. Hold. And very softly, very under control, exhale out the mouth. Dropping your shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your face as you look inside. Letting the mind be free. If you want to think, let your mind think. As you continue to look inwards, witnessing and welcoming thoughts, sensations, emotions. letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body, feeling your heart beat, feeling your heart opening as you listen to the sound of the chimes. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in, hold, and exhale with a sigh. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your body, feeling some gratitude for your body, all the work that it does. Feeling gratitude for the crazy mind and all the volatile emotions felt throughout the day. Feeling grateful to feel the range of emotions possible in this human experience. Feeling gratitude for suffering and all the lessons that it can bring. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in love. Feeling yourself full of this loving energy as you exhale, releasing any stress, any negativity. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body. It's a subtle joyfulness bubbling up in the heart, opening up the mind. Breathing in trust in the unfolding of life. Holding this trust inside and exhaling insecurities, letting go of all insecurities, letting go of uncertainties of future, letting go of past, feeling rooted in this present moment as you breathe in and breathe out. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Letting go of any tensions in the face, in the belly, in the heart, in the mind. Breathing in and breathing out. The color for today is light blue. like a light blue sky. The number is 4, and the animal is a hippo, a hungry hippo. I thank you for joining us across time and space. If you didn't know already, we're serving families blessed by autism at www.moneybackmindfulness.com. And even if you don't have autism and you want to work together, if you need support around something, feel free to reach out. Becoming aware of your body, aware of how you're sat, aware of your space. As you take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. Sending you a big hug across time and space. I am healed and I feel the abundance of love, resources, creativity, and consciousness that is already here. You feel the love that is already here. You know that you're already loved, that you don't need to accomplish anything else to recognize that love is already inside. Just underneath the anxieties, the fears, the anger, there's already an oasis of love for us. So if we want to feel more love today, recognizing when we feel anxious and afraid and we lose that trust for life. Without that trust, it's really hard to feel love. When you mistrust people and you don't trust your circumstance, which is so easy to do, then love can be far away. So remembering this today, together we try to trust more and not see it as a weakness, but a strength. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.